it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome. So happy Thursday. Tomorrow is July 1st, which I totally forgot about, but that's Canada Day here, and I won't be able to record, probably not record tomorrow because it'll be noisy in my house. So yeah, and I had a little, I don't know what you call it, a little kerfuffle? That's probably the technical term, that's why I don't know it. With my tutorial. I was hoping to have it out this week, but I won't have it out till next week. Like, I didn't say for sure it'd be this week. I was hoping, but you know how things happen, and so I'm expecting to have it out next week. Yeah. All right, I'm always working on a tutorial. I've actually, at night when I can't record because it's noisy in here, sometimes that's when I start designing something else. So I have two other things I'm designing. Oh, party in here. Come join me. All right, so today I just wanted to show you how to completely, uncontrollably not control your colors in your projects. Yeah, you've heard of color controlling? Well, this is totally the opposite. And I don't mean just letting the ball run the way it's going to run with its colorway. It's even more than that. All right. So let's see. We have this cake right here. This is a mandala. And see, you can work from the center and just crochet away, using the colors as they come up, or you can start from the outside and do the same thing. This one is 150 grams, 590 yards, 100% acrylic, lightweight 3. Colorway is Sirens. The lovely Sindy from Lulu's Treasure Trove gifted me 2 of these. Gorgeous! So what I have done is, at night when I can't record stuff, besides designing other things, I crochet other things sometimes. Anyway, so I went even beyond, you know, just crocheting with this and using up whatever color comes next. She gave me 2 of these, okay, line brand Mandala. And what I did was, because I'm always trying new things and trying to be creative, trying to inspire you guys to be creative. What I did was I took the other cake completely apart, separated all the colors. All right, I've done that before. And I've combined them with cake colors from, or colors from other cakes, to make my own unique colorway. All right, so the other cake was exactly like this, the same colorway. So I took it all apart and I rolled up balls of each of the colors. Where's that green? Kind of hiding right in there. Of these. Which one did I not show you? This one? And what I did was I rolled them all up. I put them in a container, put the lid on it to keep them dust free or whatever. And then I went like this. And I grabbed one and I started with it. When I ran out of that color, open the lid again, grabbed one, and then I used that color. So I'll show you what I'm working on, and it is a pattern, a tutorial by Brianna Sip. I'll link her tutorial below. She's going to be my next hashtag share along supporting smaller channels. All right, now this is a skirt, and it was kind of weird. I started looking at her tutorial. I'm like, hey, I have a tutorial. using this stitch. And it's a skirt. I think I might have worked in the round. I'll attach that tutorial. It's one of my first ones I made. I don't know how good it is. I don't want to look at it. But I'm following her tutorial. It's just, you know, she shows you the first 2 rows, which are both like, it's a 2-row repeat. And then I don't know what else she does later on, but I guess she sews the side together because she's working in the flat. But this is what mine is looking like with my colors, blindly choosing the colors. All right, so the first color that came out blindly, like, I mean, I didn't see what I was picking, was this blue. And then as I used it, which kind of worked out really cool because the next row, where am I? Oh, there's a single, is there a single crochet row to start? No, I don't think so. I have no clue now. Maybe I started at the other end. I don't know what I'm doing. Where am I? No, because I'm working down here. Peekaboo. All right, so, oh, I guess I got a couple of rows out of that blue. Look at that. Got a couple of rows out of the blue. And then right here is where, right up here, there's a blue. Anyway, the next color was this one. And then I closed my eyes and I grabbed the next color, which ended up being, like this next one is kind of a purpley, and then this one was the turquoisey, and the next one is this, what is this? Kind of a grayish, and then the yellow, and then the bluey purple, and then the green. So, and then the pink. So I have the pink attached. So then the next color I'll grab is whatever I grab. Just reach in and grab one and use it. And don't cheat. So it's, people are just might say, oh, what yarn is that? What colorway is that? Well, this is what happened. So I'm going to do that with the next one because I'm going to need another one. I'm probably going to need another one. Depends how long I want to make the skirt. But I only have 2 with this colorway, which I said was sirens. So I do have other mandala yarn. So I'm thinking I might just grab another mandala and take that one all apart and use that one next, which will be a different colorway. But who cares? I'm mixing all the colors up. All right, so that's how you do not color control. It's color uncontrol. What did I write here? Color uncontrollably. So if you liked this video and thought maybe you could do that yourself, let's really take a look here. All right, if I start from the center, it would have been starting with the pink. Oh, there's that little purpley and then kind of a grayish. Well, I started with the blue because that's what I grabbed out of the container. And then it went to that purpley, right? Yeah, and then I went to that purpley and then I went to the turquoise color. Well, the turquoise color is way over here. Yeah. And then what's this one? That's the grayish bluish, I don't know. But anyway, where's the grayish bluish here? Oh, man. Oh, it's right there. But then mine goes into the yellow, which is right there. So yeah, it's uncontrolled. Really uncontrolled. So, yeah. So let me know what you think of my craziness. So this will be folded and sewn, and then, well, you'll have to look at her video. Yeah, it's might be a little tight on myself, but we'll see. All right, thanks guys for watching. I really appreciate all of you. Okay, have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you probably I'll see you next week for sure. If I get a chance on the weekend, I may just record something. I don't know. I have a Hirschner's haul coming. Watch for that. I have a giveaway, 2 giveaways. There's the Christmas in July fairies that's going on to the middle of July. And then I have another giveaway that's going on till July 7th. So make sure you look at those and enter if you like. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.